Hi, I'm Beth Kingston, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 12 Days of Christmas treat holder using a muffin tin and our Xyron Creative Station light with our permanent refill and our magnet refill. Let me show you how to put it together. So I've got my muffin tin, and I've already put some of the circles on, but you're going to want to cut 2 different sized circles to cover your tin. So I just measured across the length of each cup, and then I added about 1/4 inch. So I've got some big circles, and then I added some smaller circles to layer, and then I've used some store-bought tags, but you can just create your own numbers to go on top. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Creative Station light with the permanent refill, and I'm going to run my small circles and my number tags through the machine. And once those have gone through, I'm going to take my trimmer, slide it across, give everything a little bit of a rub to make sure that the adhesive is exactly where I want it. Then I'm going to bring my big circles back in. I'm going to peel off the clear film, and I'm going to layer the circles on top of the bigger circles. Then I'm going to set these aside, and I'm going to switch the permanent refill for the magnet refill. So then I'm going to insert the magnet refill. And you just need to remember that the flap of the refill needs to go in between the rubber rollers. You close it, and you're ready to go. Now I'm ready to turn these into magnets. So I'm going to take both pieces and insert them into the machine. I'm going to use the trimmer. And this is where it's a little bit different than our regular refills. Instead of peeling off the clear film, I'm actually going to cut around them and make these a magnet. And once you've cut out both sets of circles, you take your muffin tin. I'm going to put a few treats in there. Then you just cover each hole with the numbered circle, and you've got 12 treats ready to give to your favorite person this holiday season.